Hi Manthan, good morning. How are you doing?
Good morning, sir. I'm doing very good. How's it going today?
Oh, it's going well. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Manthan, I welcome you to the next session of life skill coaching. What we think we become. Okay. So we will
Yes.
discuss today what we think we become. So what do you think? Is it true according to you?
I guess what we think we definitely become because that's what we are trying to do. Um, if I'm thinking that I don't want to wake up early and I don't want to go to work, then I'll try to not wake up early. So it's
Correct.
just a small example to that.
Right. So would you like to explore the same thing and understand more about our thinking and thoughts?
Yes, definitely. As I'm not very sure about it, I'll definitely like to know something more about it.
Wonderful. So let us understand in today's session about our thoughts. As we are human, and thoughts are very essential for us. Okay,
Hmm.
so that is the
Right.
first thing that everything starts with. So in today's session, if we talk about our personal happiness, it starts with thinking. So we will understand this thinking and thoughts in depth. Okay, and
Hmm.
then we will see that if you have a question, you can ask. Okay,
Sure,
so
sir. Sounds
we'll go
good.
to the next slide. Okay. So could you just read the session objectives?
End of the session, you should know what we think we become. Is it true? And the points will be why, which is thoughts are important, and how our thoughts are processed, and what do we get out of it.
Correct. So today's session will be moreover on your thoughts, right? What we think we become. So we will discuss that is it true or not. In order to understand our thoughts, we will answer three questions: why, how, and what. Right? As always, we do.
Yes, sir.
So
Yeah.
we understand that why thoughts are important, how the thoughts are processed, and they have an impact on our life, and what do we get out of it, like when we replace our thoughts. Okay, how could
Right.
we do that? We will see that, right? So with
Sounds
that
good, sir.
note, we further. Okay. Can you just read this?
What you think you become, what you feel you attract, what you imagine you create. By Buddha.
Right. Yes. So Buddha said that what you think you become, what you feel you attract, what you imagine you create. Right. If we
Right.
talk about our thoughts, these are essential for the human life because when we wake up early, in the morning till we go to the sleep, we keep thinking.
Right.
Even while we
Right.
sleep, our thoughts, they don't stop. They are working, and that is
Right.
the reason we get dreams, right?
Right.
But here the understanding is also sometimes if you have observed, that you wake up while seeing something bad in dreams. Is it
Mm-hmm.
happen with you?
Right. Yeah, it
Huh?
happens a lot of times, most often. Yeah.
And do you get excited when you are seeing good things in your dreams?
Yeah, I do.
You smile,
Absolutely, I
you
do.
get happy, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So that is the example that our thoughts are works 24 hours. Okay.
Right.
It doesn't stop. That is what the learning is from there. That is
Mm-hmm.
why the reason we have to know more about our thoughts, right?
Right.
Second thing is that it generates feeling, even though we are sleeping. બસ
Hmm.
ઊંઘતા બી વિચાર આવે છે, right? So if you
Right.
see ourselves when we are sleeping, also we get those thoughts and those feelings, right?
Right, sir.
What you
Right.
imagine, you create. So, like
Hmm.
some of the thoughts when we sleep, we do not remember them, right? But
Hmm.
when we
Hmm.
are awake, we are working, our thoughts are basically into the action. We put them
Right.
into the real world.
Hmm.
These feelings are generated by thoughts and we put them into the real world, right? And that is the reason it makes a sense.
Right.
Why does our thought make sense? Because our thought makes sense because when we are awake and we have a thoughts, we put them into the implementation, into the
Hmm.
activities.
Hmm.
That is the reason our thoughts are more important,
Right.
right? So we will see
Yes,
this.
sir.
In order to understand that how it is created, we will go to the next slide. Okay. Can you just read them one by one?
Thoughts or thinking encompasses a flow of ideas and associations that can lead to logical conclusions.
Correct. Now, we do not, because we get 64,000 thoughts per day and we do not process all of them.
Hmm,
We just pick up the thoughts which has an idea. Idea means something to do with good with our needs, right, and our life
right,
goals. And association is basically attachment. How much attachment do we have with that particular anything,
right.
right? So, and it has to serve us with a logical conclusion. So, when we talk about
Hmm,
something, it has to be proven logically in order to accept that,
right.
right? Thoughts which are not logically explained or our mind is not convinced with those thoughts, then we will not proceed.
Yes,
Are you
yes,
getting my
absolutely
point?
right. Yeah.
Right? So, you can read the another one.
Thinking is an essential activity of human living.
Yes. So thinking, as I say, when we sleep, we also thinking keeps working. So our thoughts are there when we
Hmm,
sleep,
hmm,
we work anywhere. So thoughts are working
hmm,
24 hours, and that is the reason we should know maximum things what we can know about it. And still, you can
right.
read the last one.
There is still no agreement as to how it is effectively defined or understood.
Correct. So there is still no agreement that how these thoughts are generated or specific conclusion. But yes, still we can understand them, right?
Hmm, hmm,
So it is not that yes, the same thing happens with every human, every life. You can make your own conclusion, as I say,
right.
right? So we'll go to the next slide. Do you have any question to this slide?
Not really.
So I'm sure that you have understood that
Yes,
thoughts have
yes.
more to do with ideas and association. Okay, that is
Right,
what I have
right, right,
highlighted here, right? And these are very essential for human life, right?
right. Yeah.
So you can go ahead. This is you are aware about. This is human life cycle, right?
Yes, yes, I
And
am. Yeah.
your needs, our needs keep changing according to the human life cycle,
Mhm.
and
Yes,
that is the
according to the
reason we.
life and circumstances. Yeah.
Yes. So that is the reason we keep changing, right?
Right.
And that is the reason our thoughts change. So let us go to the next slide to understand that how thoughts gets affected to us. Here you can read one thing. Why do we need to think wisely?
You become what you think about most of the time.
Most of the time. So here we need to mark that what we think most of the time, right? Every thought doesn't become the life or things in the real, but what you think most of the time you become. So now what is important? What you think most of the time.
Hmm, hmm.
Are you getting
Right,
my point?
right, sir.
And that is the reason we have to understand our thoughts and thinking. Here,
Okay.
most important thing is that what we think most of the time, because what we
Hmm.
think most of the time, that we become. So, in
Right.
order to become something, we have to first decide that what we want to become, and then we
Hmm.
have to put our thoughts accordingly. We have to think that most of the time.
Okay. But sir,
Are you
isn't
getting
it
my
that
point?
thoughts are generated automatically? Because a lot of times we see something and there are thoughts, they just come up in our heads. How
Okay,
do
so
we
we
how
will
do we
discuss that.
decide to go on with the right thoughts?
Okay. So could you can store your question at for the last moment. Okay.
Right.
I will give you the answer. If you do not get answer through this presentation, you can raise it. I'm sure you
Sounds
will have
good.
an answer for your question before this presentation ends. Okay.
Right. Right.
But here I want to make out the point in this slide is you become what you think most of the time. So
Hmm.
first
Hmm.
you need to decide that what you want to become, right?
Okay.
And then you have to not just think most of the time, but you have to
Hmm.
act.
Hmm.
Okay,
Right.
and how it works
Right.
that we will see. Okay, so can we
Hmm.
go to the next slide?
Yeah.
Yes. Now see, why do we think? So there are internal or external, as you say. You can read both of them. Can you just read
Yes,
them?
the external says social and universal experiences, and internal is D deficit needs or B becoming needs.
Okay. Now, if I talk about the first point, external, okay, there you can see that it is a social and universal experiences. As you said, we
Mhm.
go out, we experience every day. External, okay,
Right.
right? Internal is deficient needs. Like we have a lack of something. You know now deficient needs very well, right?
Yes.
Or there are becoming needs. That means you know yourself very well, so powerfully that you are
Right.
into the process of becoming, right? And there
Right.
your thinking are focused more on this particular, becoming needs.
Right.
Are you getting my point? Right.
Yes, sir.
So for example, here you can see the picture. If boss has called you in the office, you will sit and think,
Hmm.
right? You can see that what to cook, that those are your deficient needs. What will I have
Right.
because I need food, right?
Right.
Becoming needs. Here you can see that a kid also thinks about the his
Exam.
exams. Yes, because those are
Right.
becoming needs. Chocolates are again comes under the deficient needs,
Right.
right? So these particular thoughts are generated either with the social experience. If you will sleep for entire day, you will not have any
Hmm.
experience outside, and then if you will wake up, you will think about yourself. So your thoughts will be for yourself. Are you
Hmm.
getting my point?
Yes, sir. So it all depends on our experiences that what we are thinking.
Yes, experience may bring thoughts which are harmful. We will see this
Right.
into the slide. Okay,
Okay.
like external, social, and universal experiences, and internal
Hmm.
deficient needs or becoming needs. So go to the next
Right.
slide. Okay. Now energy flows where attention goes,
Right.
but you can read the top one.
Everything is energy and light.
Okay, light is referred to the knowledge, right? When we are driving a
Right.
car, we have a light, we have a steering, and we have an energy produced, and that is why we
Right.
are moving moves in the direction,
Hmm.
right? That there we move in the direction. So here is the same. Where your attention is, your energy will flow there. So that is the reason I said first you should know that what you want to become,
Hmm.
and according to that your thinking will start, right? Your thoughts
Right.
will be, right? So can we go to the next slide?
Sure.
Now you can read one by one.
Thoughts are beginning.
Correct. So everything begins with the thoughts, right?
Right.
And then what
Thoughts
thoughts does,
generates. Yeah, they generate feeling.
right? As I said, if you have got something
Hmm.
promoted or appreciated from the office, you will have a pleasure feeling, you know,
Right. Right.
happy, and it feeds with the growth, motivation, and energy. But if your boss
Okay.
has called you, he has criticized your work, or negative feedback has been received, then you will have a negative feeling. Then it will lead
Right.
pain of
Right.
mental pain, physical pain, right?
Hmm.
And that will again, that is also good because it will lead to the self-awareness ultimately. Like you
Okay.
need to accept and you have to change.
Okay.
That is what it want to point out.
Right.
So in
So, sir,
order to,
I
yeah,
see this both examples, and I've seen a lot of people who deny to accept things, who deny to accept their failures, or who deny to accept um, other people's behavior or something or the other, and they keep worrying about it the whole day. Even it happens with me sometimes, not all the times. I do try to accept and change, but what is the best way to get out of it?
self-actualization. In order to understand this, you need to go and watch my video on personal transition management first part.
Right.
There I have talked about very specifically that how these feelings are generated, what are the reasons,
Mm-hmm.
how you can cope up with any change, and what is the
Okay.
position to sustain in any change.
Right.
Exceptions will come if you will watch those videos, those theories, and that will give you understanding. So watch that. I'm sure you will have understanding.
Okay.
All right. So here you can read the next one, but I'm sure this has given you the understanding that basically thoughts generates the feeling. Okay.
Yes, yes, it
If you
has.
are self-actualized, then I'm
Hmm.
sure you are going with your goals, your values, and everything. You know yourself well, right?
Right. Right.
So when you know yourself well, you need not to explain it to others, right?
Sounds good. Yeah.
And that is the reason I said one शायरी also, like खुद से ही खुद को जीतने की जिद है मेरी, खुद से ही खुद को हराना है, भीड़ नहीं हूं मैं दुनिया की, मेरे अंदर एक जमाना है. So when you have a world within you, when you know your world, the other
Hmm.
factors, the people or the other environmental things, which may affect you but not in much sense.
Right.
So you can sustain in any change and you are growing because you are every day putting your energy to grow
Hmm.
yourself
Hmm.
well with
Correct.
awareness. Right. So
Hmm.
that is the reason I said when negative things and feelings will be generated, person will be led towards of self-awareness, where he has to
Right.
accept and change. There is no other way. Change means
Got it.
changing the knowledge, skills, ability, habits, behaviors.
Hmm. Hmm.
Right. Okay. Is
Hmm.
it clear?
Hmm. It is clear now, sir.
Yeah. You can read the next one.
Repeated and processed thoughts becomes words.
Yes. So something where you get then see once you think something like for example you have thought of doing a business. Okay. Either
Hmm.
you see in the world that somebody is doing a business of restaurant and you like that idea and you start thinking of it. Then you get into the discussion, questions,
Right. Right. Right.
then you make calculations, logical calculations, as I say. So
Right.
these are the things you do to identify the logical conclusions. When you find evidences, strong belief into it, then you start imagination. So
Hmm.
in order
Hmm.
to accept something, those thoughts, we need logical conclusion.
Right.
You will go and you will identify the calculation of cost, the profit, and
Right,
you will
sir.
see how many customers, area. So if once you through with it, you accept logically, and when you do it on documentation, right, it is more
Hmm.
convincing because it is
Right.
evidence is related on words, documented.
Right.
So that empowers your actions and feelings. Then you start imagine your own restaurant.
Hmm.
And you
Hmm.
start
Hmm.
imagine working like this is what will be there. It will look like
Right,
this,
sir. Right, sir.
kind of, right?
Yeah.
So this is strong belief and evidences once you gather. You start
Mm-hmm.
imaging, it empowers your actions. And once you start your action, your feelings are empowered, right?
Yes, sir.
Now you can read the next one.
Repeated actions becomes habits.
Correct. So once you will get habited, once you start cooking or something, you get addicted to it. So you don't take much time because your energy, your subconscious mind works. Habits are basically referred to your subconscious mind activities, which
Right.
are accepted because your conscious mind has repeated them again and again.
Hmm.
Right. And then you can read the next one.
Habit reflects character.
Perfect. Before you start initiate your action, your habits, you always check your life values. You always
Right.
check your life goals, right? And then only you initiate. So
Hmm.
once you
Hmm.
are with that and you create those habits, it becomes character,
Hmm.
whether it's a positive or negative.
Right.
Then last you can read.
Character and life values lead to the destination.
Correct. So what sort of character you want to create, you deliver, and what you have become with your own perception, with the social perception. So that is the reason
Hmm,
it is
hmm.
more needed as a psychosocial.
Right.
And what are the life values are you carrying with you that leads to your destination? So
Correct.
now did you see that how it works from thoughts to destination journey? Very simple to understand.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Right. Now you can go to the next slide to understand more in depth.
Okay.
See, you can read this now.
How thoughts are processed. Watch your thoughts, for they become your words. Watch your words, for they become your actions. Watch your actions, for they become your habits. And watch your habits, for they become your character. Watch your character, for they become your destiny.
Now did you get why it was said that what you think most of the time you become or what you
Yes, sir.
become, right? Yeah, that is what it is there. So we have to decide that what we want to become, right?
Right.
So you can go to the next slide. And I said that you need to work on your communication, which is referred as an intrapersonal and interpersonal communication,
Right.
right? And
Right.
also we need to balance in between, right?
Yes, sir.
So, you can see that self-awareness basically talks about our thoughts, our life goals,
Life
life.
goals, life beliefs,
You can
values,
read now.
perceptions, and all. Um, Life experiences, physical fitness, energy, knowledge, skills, abilities, habits, feelings, management, confidence, etc.,
Correct.
and
This is what we carry
social
external,
skills and behavior. Yeah, yeah.
right? And
Makes a
mark
lot
my
of sense
word,
now, sir. Yeah.
yes. Because see, these are internal feeling what we carry. That is basically referred to attitude. It could be non-verbal or verbal. And
Right.
social skill behavior is basically our behavior. Right. Our behavior is
Hmm.
basically, you can say that emotions, right? And
Correct.
attitude is basically our feelings,
Right.
right? So that is what it is there. I'm sure that once from this slide you have got the message that communication, what do you communicate internally and externally?
Yes, sir.
Both are
Yes, sir.
right. And it is also important to balance in
Correct.
between.
Correct. So can we say it like it's usually the flow of information which you possess and how you execute it into your life? For
Yes,
example, when we try to relate intrapersonal with interpersonal, it is
yeah,
basically in simple words that you do what you are trying to do without taking any other information from external sources which might or might not affect your goals and your process. As if you try
even
to
you can
accept
see them.
the external feelings and thoughts of other people, it might start affecting your thoughts, and
I will
then
give
you
you
might
answer.
end up, yeah.
Next slide. And
Yeah.
end of the present before end of the presentation you would have answered. I am sure you have a lot of question. That is your name, you reflect your name, Manthan. So you keep doing those dissection of everything. I like that.
Right.
Okay. Can you just read this?
Self-awareness, perception, life goals, life values, life experience, memory, and needs.
Okay. Now
How our
focus
thoughts are
on,
processed.
yes. See, in order to understand our thought processing, we can understand the one theory which is known as NLP, Neuro Linguistic Programming Communication Model. Okay,
Right.
this communication model is very specific. I have just given
Hmm.
here a picture of it, which says that external event. So as we talk about that, what is the feeling you had in office, right? Like your boss called you, or your boss gave you appreciation and certification. Okay. and that is
Right.
experienced and felt by your five senses.
Hmm.
So very strongly that has been felt. Both the
Right.
activities. If that was appreciation and motivation, right, or that was getting criticized from the office, work or anything,
Correct.
right? So that
Correct.
five senses felt very badly. Whatever it is good that has
Hmm.
generated, as we show that it has generated feeling now, positive or negative,
Correct.
right?
Correct.
Now here you can see that there are three stages given: delete, distort, and generalize, right?
Right, sir.
Filters. You can see the filters.
Hmm.
Now, if you have found a new job, okay, you will delete and you will ignore
Hmm.
because there is a message comes from your back of the mind and says that let it to be, he will shout, I need not to answer as I have found a new job.
Correct.
If you have done your work and he is not understanding, you will discuss and you will try to represent yourself. Or if you
Right.
know yourself well that you are changing or it is you have done your work, you will not try to explain,
Correct.
or you will decide, because that you can see on the last internal processing, which is more based on state of mind.
Right.
And this state of mind and philosophy is created, you can see there is a written meta program something. Can you just identify for me where is that meta program and what is
Yeah.
written there?
Yeah. It has values, decisions, beliefs, and memories.
Correct. So your internal representation, as I said, is based on this,
Right.
and then it goes external, so your behavior. So for
Got it, sir.
example, as I said that I am decided to start a business of restaurant, I have done work, everything. Somebody comes and says that you should do the clothing business. I have options. Either
Right.
I would do it or I would not do it. Did you
Right.
get my point?
Got it, sir.
And this is how behavior is initiated.
Right, sir.
Can we go to the next slide?
Sure.
Now you can read this.
You have to start knowing yourself so well that you begin to know other people. A piece of us is in every person we can ever.
This is
John D.
the
MacDonald.
what does it say? Can you just tell me?
Um, to what I understand, sir, it says that you need to that he's trying to say that we need to start understanding our own selves first, and very well, in a way that it goes very well, that we start understanding other people, because there is something which is similar in all of us, and
Correct.
if you know that what is that thing inside you and how you can manage it and get good results out of it, you'll be able to do and identify other people's thoughts as well, and get
Correct.
along with them.
So that is what I said. You asked me one question, right? That
Yes,
some
sir.
people I see because they are not very much clear about themselves. Okay, that is
Right.
what they follow the guidelines given by the society or the from the experience from the society. Okay,
Right, sir.
but when you know yourself well and when you are doing uh, activities which needs to be done during those 24 hours, and if you're putting your
Hmm.
energy with the directions, there is no need to bother and you will not, but still you will
Right.
be able to manage and understand them and be with
Right.
them. You can still live in
Right.
harmony and you can achieve your goals. That is the supreme, as I said, the
Correct.
position which is known as a self-actualization.
Correct.
So you accept to living in harmony, very happy, healthy, prosperous, and happy. That is what the journey is on.
Right.
Right? Can you go to the next slide?
Sure.
You can read this.
खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे, पता तेरी रजा क्या है.
खुद को कर बुलंद इतना कि तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता तेरी रजा क्या है. This means to say that you should know yourself so well. You should get your self-aware, about everything what you can. You have to explore yourself up to the maximum potential what you can, which is known as a self-actualization, right? You can watch again those videos that we have
Right.
about
Right.
personal transition management, which talks about this in detail, right?
Right, sir. Right.
Trust my words, once you get self-actualized, nothing will bother you. Nothing.
Right.
Okay? Because you will be always happy, healthy, and prosperous. You acquire
Yes, sir.
such position which will
Hmm.
not change the situation or circumstances.
Got it, sir.
And if it changes, before that you will have acceptance and understanding very soon. So your life will be at peace.
Right, sir.
And the day when you achieve your self-satisfaction, you will be successful.
Got it, sir.
Right? Any question that now you have, you can ask me after this understanding.
Sir, it looks like you answered all of my questions.
And how did you find the session?
Sir, I find it really well because it gave me a lot of understandings about how the thought process of a person is and how can we understand that how our thoughts becomes our reality. And I also now understand that um, how it is same with other people and how to manage it to be neutral with things and get on to our goals.
Correct. So we will, in next session, in our exercise and our assignments, we will see that how we are going to manage this. Okay. Till the
Sounds
time,
good to me, sir.
take care of yourself and have a great time. Wish you all the
Thank you,
very
sir.
best.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Always pleasure. Take care.